Hey, I'm Flo, co-founder of Mizal, and today I'll show you how to use Constellation, which is our team of agents, and you can think about it as a newsroom in a box. You will interact with the editor-in-chief, and from there, the editor-in-chief will talk to the team, and they will have like specialists within the newsroom to accomplish the task you want. So you are on Mizal.ai. You can either open it in Slack or with the web version. So let's say you're a journalist with a beat in public housing in New York. You can ask Mizal, monitor the City Council calendar and send me notification with relevant events weekly on Monday at 8 a.m. I'm a beat reporter. You have a few options. Let's say you want to receive a notification on your email, or you can have the digest directly on the Mizal website. You can also receive it on Slack. You can attach a few files if you want, and you can connect it to your Gmail account. Let's say if you were to fetch relevant newsletters, press releases you received, and so on, you can ask Mizal to summarize them or surface what's relevant for you. So here I'll click email when done, and I'll submit my request. So as you can see, the editor-in-chief will acknowledge the request and pass it to the team. So a few minutes later, here it is. I have my result where a routine has been set up, and the NYC City Council calendar is the official source. So I will receive notifications for everything related to housing. For example, a committee on housing and buildings, committee on land use, public housing, so on. So the agents team understood my very basic request and expanded it. So it features every content relevant to the monitoring task I wanted. And you can really imagine different workflows that could be helpful for you. For example, you could monitor a competitor or let's say 50 sources, and you can ask the team to classify each item depending on newsworthiness, for example. So you can receive a classification and sift through the noise. And you can adjust every notification, how you will receive it. You could think about different tasks. For example, we have a social media monitor agent. We also have a podcast monitoring, so you can extract the list of guests, topics. You can even transcribe them, so you have key insights and are notified each time there is something relevant for the many podcasts you want to follow. So I really hope you'll like it, and there are two ways to get going. The first one is just spend 2 minutes, send your first task and see how it goes. And the second one is just ping me and I'll walk you through it. And thanks so much for testing it early, because it will be so valuable for us to gather your feedback, to understand how you use it and where it breaks. Hopefully, it will help you create better